So this is a 13 Pro Max battery swap. We're gonna do the spot welding. So we cut the leads here with scissors. Don't cross them, like don't do both at the same time, cut one side and then the other. You need kind of thin scissors. The battery got punctured. Somebody at another shop or somebody tried to repair this, put super glue, the battery got punctured. It's a 13 Pro Max. Her phone's rebooting. It's because the battery got punctured. And so we're gonna spot weld this OEM original Apple board onto a new battery so that it's OEM and you can still see her battery health percentage. So you cut these leads a little shorter with the scissors, and then these here, you fold back like this is a little easier. Let's see, yeah, fold back. And it's easier to see under a scope like I have, but actually these tweezers will help me too. You just fold it back because you're just going to spot weld on top of that. And I can adjust my microscope because it's a little blurry. There we go. So positive and negative. I matched up the board how it was before. I'm doing the same side. I have a little mini spot welder here. It's very good for this. You can get these on like Mobile Centrics for like 40 bucks. So I do it on level 2. You could have like 6 levels of charge. 2 is good enough for this. It's a small job and you want it on automatic. And then all you have to do is just touch here and there. See that little smoke? And that welds the there. So we got that side pretty secure. We're going to go to this side now. And you don't want to press too hard because you can damage the board underneath. You just lay the leads on top of there like that. You want to get 3 or 4 good spots, and that's it. And then you have to program the battery and put it back in the phone, but spot welding is done.